We're only a couple of days away from Halloween. Are you ready? In 3, 2...
The 3B Kids of Texas!
I can tell you one stop that we're going to trick-or-treat at. That's Gadget and Papa D's house. With new spooky decor that I can't wait to see. Come in if you dare.
I know you're just dying to dine with us.
You can sit next to our ancestors.
Oh, look, the old homestead.
Now let's show you the play setting details.
We start with a spiderweb placemat.
Then we added a Mackenzie Child's charger.
We put a crystal charger on top of that.
Then our grandmother's fine china.
Then Halloween salad plates by Royal Stafford.
Don't forget the bread and butter plate. I need my carbs.
Then we added flatware.
Don't forget the stemware to drink the blood. Grape juice.
Don't forget the napkins. I make a very horrible mess.
Now let's take a stroll to the kitchen and see what Grandma's got.
Of course, she's already ready for the party.
Let's take a stroll around her kitchen.
And if you get too creeped out, you can retire to the crypt, I mean guest room. We hope you've enjoyed this haunted home.